We need faith
Faith and believe.
and believe. Faith is the currency of the spiritual world, yeah, brother. That's the reason I'm trying to tell you. It's not some philosophical bullshit that I'm giving you. No, it's not. You need faith in everything. Everything.
100%.
I wish people understand the secret of the faith like a farmer भन्ने. You know what is a faith like a farmer? फार्मरले एउटा मकैको दाना नि जमिनभित्र हाल्छ क्या. And he does not care त्यहाँभित्र त्यो मकैको दाना के हुन्छ होला. He does not give a shit about that. What he does is waits and he knows that त्यहाँबाट एक दिन उम्रिन्छ.
Yes.
त्यो जमिन मुनि के त्यो उसको बारेमा हैन क्या. That's the
Right.
mistake. Forget it. People are like, no, tell me first. के हुन्छ? What are you talking about? You're not supposed to know that.
Right.
That's faith. That's faith. हाम्रो त उल्टा उखानहरु छ थाहा छ. नानी हुनु कहिले अहिले कोक्रो बुन्नु अहिले भन्छ नि. के भनेको? नानी हुनु अगाडि पो कोक्रो बुन्छ त. एक्सपेक्टेसन हो किन भन्नुस् त? एउटा प्रेग्नेन्ट आमाले कस्तो गर्छ भन्नुस् त? बुन्नु थाल्छ हैन. अरे हाम्रो उखानै उल्टा रहेछ.